Hurricanes Highlights, brought to you by ATB Financial.
Covering. Long shot in, loose puck, side of the goal, Babeko scores! Yegor Babeko, his 12th, and the Hurricanes on the power play strike first. It's 1-0. Now gets the puck and throws it to center, and Folk will be away. 2-on-1. Folk with room, he works in, he shoots, he scores! Babeko leaves Pankowitz, wrist shot, scores! No, it hit the goalpost, now deflects in!
Wow! What a difference a night makes.
Game point streak with an assist tonight as a puck deflects and hits the goalpost and just crosses the line. Nielsen under pressure, Hebig steals the puck, comes out on the backhand, centers, they score! Drowdy again! Slapper, loose puck in front, and yet they're looking for it. Lindgren shoots, he scores! Aaron puck right in front of the crease. Riley Lindgren swoops in, gets his 12th. 2-on-1 with Gingras. Hausinger hangs and shoots, and a shoulder stop by Skinner. And the puck goes out of play. To Burke, he works in. Wong heading to the net, the pass. Wong to the goal. Stopped by Amundrud, and the two collide and the net pops off as
lays it forward and then was lined up by Uric.
Hurricanes will be off until next Thursday. The defenseman, Babeko, cross seam at wall in front, and he scores!